Hello dear students, today we are going to talk about zero conditional. So let's go. What happens, for example, if you drink coffee before bed? You can't sleep. And if you eat junk food, you get overweight. So in these sentences, you can see that you have a cause and then you have a consequence or result of your decision. So in this class, we are going to see about conditional. Conditional describes the result of a condition. The if clause tells us the condition and the main clause tells us the result. For example, if you study hard, you will pass your exams. So you can see in this sentence that the part of if you study hard would be the if clause, and you will pass your exam will be the main clause. Conditional sentences are often divided in different types. We use zero conditional when we talk about permanent truth, such as scientific facts, general habits, natural laws, and rules. For example, if you heat the water to 100 degrees, it boils. You can see in this sentence that the part when it says if you heat the water to 100 degrees is the if clause, and the part that says it boils is the main clause or the result. In the first part, we have if plus simple present. In this part, we use simple present. Don't forget that. And in the second part, we use simple present too. And between both clauses, we use a comma. But we can change the position of the clauses. For example, water boils if you heat the water to 100 degrees. In this case, it's not necessary to put a comma between both clauses. We also use when instead of if when we are sure that something is going to happen. Let's remember simple present. When we use subjects like he, she, or it, we are going to use the rule of s or es at the end of the verb. And if we want to make negative sentence, we are going to use the auxiliary doesn't. For example, he wakes up at 6 a.m. every day. This is a positive sentence. And he doesn't wake up at 6 a.m. every day. This is a negative sentence. But when we use subjects like I, you, we, or they, we don't use any rule. The verb keeps in its basic form. And if we want to make negative sentence, we are going to use the auxiliary don't. For example, I wake up at 6 a.m. every day. This is a positive sentence. And I don't wake up at 6 a.m. This is a negative sentence. Well, dear students, in this part we are going to learn about new words in this vocabulary. So let's see. Be overweight. This is a verb. It means being overweight or fat is having more body fat than is optimally healthy. For example, Sally was 50 pounds overweight. Melt. This is a verb. It means to change something from solid to liquid by heating. For example, the sun was hot and melted the snow. Boil is a verb. It means when water is heated to the point where it forms bubbles and turns to steam or vapor. For example, water boils at 100 degrees Celsius. Freeze is a verb. It means change from the liquid to the solid state by loss of heat. For example, water freezes at 32 degrees Fahrenheit. Heat. It's a verb. It means make or become hot or warm. For example, heat the sauce in the microwave. Cool is a verb. It means become cooler or to make something cooler. For example, if you cool water, it freezes at 0 degrees Fahrenheit. Keep or stay awake is a verb. It means to remain awake or not go to sleep. For example, we kept awake all night by the noise. Well, dear students, don't forget to check your books, your notes, and your videos and continue learning English. Goodbye.